This is Bright to Be stem set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stem set with 44 individual stamps. Designed with a new Bright to Be in mind, this stem set contains unique sentiments and lovely floral images perfect for various crafting projects. Floral elements can be stamped in 2 steps, allowing you to create countless flower arrangements. Simply pair these with any of our crystal inks for colorful stamping results and cut them out easily using the coordinating die set for added dimensions. This Bright to Be stem set is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured right here in the USA. To find out more about the Bright to Be stem set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.